Hey everyone, revolutionize your social media strategy by automating content creation from articles. Webhook. This workflow begins with a webhook trigger. It receives article data via a post request, including title, URL, content, author. This allows external systems to submit articles for automated processing. Set article fields. This node extracts and standardizes the incoming article data. It maps the title, URL, content, and author into clean fields. This ensures the AI receives consistent, well-structured input. AI agent. The AI agent analyzes the full article content. It performs the following tasks: extracts key insights, identifies target audience, determines tone of voice, generates exactly 5 social media posts. The output is returned as structured JSON. Structured output parser. This node validates and parses the AI response. It ensures the output strictly matches the predefined JSON schema. This prevents malformed data from breaking downstream steps. Split out. Social posts. The split out node separates each generated social post. Each post becomes an individual item for processing. This enables parallel handling of images, storage, and scheduling. AI social post image generator. This node generates an AI image for each social post. It uses dall-e with prompts derived from article insights and tone. Each post gets a unique, platform-ready visual. Upload frames to Cloudinary. The generated images are uploaded to Cloudinary. This provides secure, publicly accessible image URLs. These URLs are later attached to social post records. Set post fields. This node combines text and image data for each post. It maps platform post text, CTA, suggested delay image URL. This prepares the data for storage and review. Create or update Airtable record. Each social post is stored in Airtable. Records are created or updated with platform content CTA image URL status set to pending. This supports content review and approval workflows. Aggregate posts. This node aggregates all processed posts back together. It creates a single combined dataset for notifications. This ensures Slack receives a clean summary update. Notify Slack channel. A Slack notification is sent to the team. It includes article details and confirms the article was processed. 5 social posts were created. This keeps stakeholders informed in real time. Respond to webhook. The workflow responds back to the original webhook request. It returns a JSON summary containing title, author, target audience, tone of voice, key insights. This confirms successful execution. Error handler trigger. If any node fails, this trigger activates automatically. It captures workflow errors for centralized handling. Slack send error alert. When an error occurs, a Slack alert is sent. The message includes node name, error message, timestamp. This enables fast debugging and recovery. With this, streamline social media and empower your team with automation. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such updates.